Hey, Lynette here, and these spoilers are coming to you guys by my subscription addiction. Definitely check these out. These are the spoilers that are live as of now for July. So definitely let me know what you think. If you don't know what Ipsy is, I'll put the link in the description below. Here we go. Hey guys, just wanted to add the Purlisse Green Tea Moisturizing Primer. It's not this, but this is the only photo I can find of the same type. This is a mask, but the item that's going to be in the Ipsy bag is the Moisturizing Primer, same title. Okay guys, what did you guys think about the Ipsy for July? I'm excited. I'll put the products I'm excited about below. Are you guys still on the fence about Ipsy? Not too sure? Definitely let me know which product you're excited about receiving. And again, definitely subscribe and like so that you don't miss out on the next Ipsy spoiler. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next video.